Okay, so the water has receded. You can see it was about 2 feet up the walls. And yay hooray, over the outlets, about 6 inches above the outlets is where it looks like it stopped. See if I can get a picture of the water line there. And we are going to try and get as much off the floor in the main living space as we can so that we can start drying it out.
Heat's cranked up already.
Heat's already on. The stove has about a couple inches of water in it. We'll have to work on that. But in here you can kind of see by the line on the trunk how far the water went up. So, looks like the insides of the cabinet stayed dry. That's a good thing, although it did go above the edge here into the sheetrock. I can see a line about 1 inch high. And I don't think it actually got into the shower. Another good thing. And the water level on the toilet is good. Okay. So I guess we picked up stuff enough that it wasn't too bad. So there's water in there. And I don't know, that kind of feels a little wet. Not too bad though. Compactor. I don't know. That looks not too bad. Dishwasher looks good. So putting up the stuff on the buckets was a very big help. But we've got a lot of carpets and stuff that we need to throw outside. I think that's probably the best place for them right now. And you can see it got a little high in here. I don't know if it went above the stuff in here or not, but definitely got a lot of cleaning to do. And the bed got a little wet, but I think the mattresses are dry. I did check them. And that looks okay. So, before we start cleaning up, we should probably call that CNC and let them know what's going on. So, the back obviously still has water in it, but it has gone down. That shed went down about 2 feet, thank God. But you can see the water line on it, I think. Let's see if I can zoom in. Those 2 benches used to be in the front, by the front door. Imagine that. They made it all the way out there. Okay. And we have some dry land in the backyard. That's a good thing. Okay. So now let's go into the den and see how bad it is there. And I think the washers and dryers should... That's a little nasty in here. But at least underneath the washers and dryers, they have that kind of base that lifts them up. Bathroom, lights on. Oh, water actually went into the shower because it's filthy. Okay. about here? Did it go into this cupboard? I don't think it did. Yay! Alright. Seriously nasty in here. But, oh yeah, phone books are wet, so it did get above this. But basically everything in the cupboards is still dry. That's a good thing. This did get wet. And stuff around here definitely got wet. But stuff happens. We're just lucky that it didn't get as bad as it could have. Alright, the end. This is January 20th at about 9 o'clock in the morning. Thank you.